Hi, this video is about chemistry. Different from normal, eh? Normal we do like electrical. So this video is not normal because it is actually a school assignment. So the assignment was we had to make a video about volcano testing thing with baking soda and vinegar. So when we do it and we're low on video production, why not make one for the channel? So the volcano, basic volcano stuff. Volcanoes are just like mountains. It is caused by the tectonic plates crashing into each other and making a mountain before that, and then they kind of it has a weak spot, and if the pressure down there is high, so it comes up fast, and that is an eruption for you. So magma, once something comes to the surface, it becomes lava. So let's get started with the testing. Hello, and today we're going to be doing a volcano experiment. Which will need is 180 milliliters of vinegar, some food coloring of your choice, and some baking soda. So this one will be 12 to 1, which is 12 is the vinegar and 1 is the baking soda. So I'm gonna mix, since I already have the prep, I'll mix this in the vinegar and we'll see what happens. I'll meet you back in a bit. I have put the baking soda in the volcano. But speaking of the volcano is made up of Play-Doh, and this is a glass bottle covered in Play-Doh and paint, and this is our colored vinegar. It's purple because we have no choice. So let's see what happens. Okay, so now we're gonna pour it in. Let's see what happens. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Ooh, wow. Now that's a volcano, but not natural. So yeah, this is a reaction caused by the vinegar reacting with the baking soda, which causes, I don't know, but I'll take a look at it. So after you've seen the reaction, right? The reaction is caused by baking soda and vinegar, which are acidic and basic. Yeah, basic. So the baking soda is made of a chemical called CH3COOH, or acetic acid, and baking soda is made from NaHCO3, or sodium bicarbonate. And when you mix these together, you'll get 3 products from the reaction, which are CHCOONA, which is sodium acetate, which is normal salt. You have water and carbon dioxide. So as you see, the fizzling is caused by the carbon dioxide, as you can see in like your carbonated drinks. And if you drink that water, it will be like drinking very salty soda water. So don't drink it. Don't do it. So that is the reaction caused, and that is the end of the video. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.